Oh, Sophie, you're 3. Oh my God.
It all started when my mom met my dad, and they fell in love, and they had me.
Someone ate the wings. Who was it?
Take.
About it.
You're cute, but you're not that cute.
The people want to know. Can we get an a whoop?
Is he gonna go for a walk?
근데 요즘 나 샌드에 놀래.
This distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. What the heck?
Ma'am. Ma'am, that is not ladylike.
Who did this?
Miles, what are you doing?
Who did this mess? Cody, did you make this mess?
My hand is big, right? Now you see how far apart these are, like nothing. It's nothing. Yeah, well, you don't know how to fucking jump! So anyway.
Say wee.
Wow, you're dramatic. Are you kidding? I'm using it.
Remy, you okay? Remy, you okay? You feel good?
Look at you. You're so pretty.
Questi gatti. Bravo, ma che vuoi? Diglielo. Ah.
Smooth talking, so rocking. He's got everything that a girl's wanting. Guitar.
Inside. Wanna come in?
Yeah. Mother.
Theodore, where's Chippy? Fifi, where's Chip?
근데 요즘 나 샌드에 놀래.
This my baby. And ain't nobody finna touch her. Move! That's not what I meant at all.
I can't take you anywhere. Hey, stop!
That's not your seat. That's not your seat, Nacho. That's Leo's seat. Come on, move over. Nacho, that's Leo's seat. Move over, Nacho. Come on. Oh my God.
So how are you coping with all the fame?
His fat ass already popped the button.
Alexa, Simon says Tyson is a bad boy.
Tyson is a bad boy.
Theodore, where's Chippy? Fifi, where's Chip?
No. Oh no. She's chewing on your tail, man. There's normal dogs. And then there's Bella.
Big smile, Holly. Oh, good girl.
Paris. The people want to know. Can we get an a whoop?
Tractor. Washing machine. Car. Num num.
So small you could just like
I love
Hey, let me go one too. Let me hold on. Yeah, he's in there right there. What the dog do?
How men talk to dogs. Hey, buddy, you good boy. How women talk to dogs.
Lorna.
Hey, your mom looks like a dog.
Text John to 642-642. Ask about the Bosley.
Can I get a few words? We love you. We love you.
Seriously?
Cannot go turkey hunting with me.
My GF just got a dog, but I think the dog adopted her.
Oh my god.
Can you give me a burp?
My hand is thick, right? Now you see how far apart these are, like nothing. It's nothing. Yeah, well, you don't know how to fucking jump!
老板，什么对象的？针对人对的。啊。
This fat ass already popped the button.
Hey, your mom looks like a dog.
What you say?
Dumpling, what are you doing? What the fuck are you doing?
Hi!